Dentistry's unfortunately created a bad rap, with everything that we have to do as dentists. Often patients have this fear, this unexplainable fear, often because of either poor experiences in the past or certainly the stories that they hear from their neighbors and their loved ones. And so I feel it's kind of my job to re-educate patients, to reacquaint them with a new style of dentistry. And this is usually how I do it. I have an active conversation with them. I get to know them. I get them to tell me what their fears are so that they can share their experiences in the past, and I can show them in a very comforting environment what dentistry can be like, and not ever pushing them into anything. My job, first and foremost, is to tell patients what their needs are, whether I do the work or someone else does the work. I feel that that's an honest and an open way to start a relationship so that patients know that they have a list of needs and that the doctor can convey those needs and educate them on their options and how to fix those issues at hand, and show them multiple options, the benefits and the risks and the drawbacks. And only then, once they understand exactly what their options are, do I feel comfortable helping them make a decision. And that's when we start the process. That's when we start the journey. And the journey of having dentistry done here at Infinite Smiles is that we start with a relationship. You're not walking into a stranger and having them touch you for the first time in the mouth and drilling and filing and doing all of these things. We usually have an opportunity to first sit down and get to know each other, because very much we think of it as a partnership. And that's an important thing because we're in for the long haul. A lot of patients become lifelong friends of me and of mine rather, but also my staff. And it's a fantastic relationship that we carry. Moving forward, we know what our expectations are to fulfill for our patients, but we become close enough where we know what their expectations are without having to say a word.